Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to do a mixture between Venom and Bluey as one character. So let's get started right now. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture of Bluey and Venom. So let's get started, okay? All right, let's go through this step by step. I'm going to start over here and I'm going to draw a line upward. Okay. I'm going to curve just a little bit, kind of like the shape. We're going to go for that Bluey shape of the body, right? Bluey looks like shaped like a cell phone or something. Pull across over here. Curve around the corner here. Down. We're going to go over here now to kind of the Bluey snout, right? So we're going to go right here, pull across like there, top of a Bluey snout. Curve along the front over here, downward at a slight angle, not too far. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way. I don't really ask that often. So if you are here and you see the video, absolutely hit the like button. It helps a whole lot to push the video out there. I appreciate it. Curve underneath. Pulling up just a bit here. Draw like a curve now right here. Curve around that area. And then curve underneath. Curve underneath here. I'm gonna have a tongue come out, but we're gonna figure that out. So let's just throw some teeth over here, like so. Right? We're not gonna make them too giant. I know it's a Venom thing, but we're not gonna make them too giant. We're just gonna make them sharp. Just kind of up and down that zigzag shape, right? Real simple. We're going to try to pull a tongue out from here. So we're going to go maybe start at the second tooth-ish. Pulling out over here. And Venom's tongue is like uncomfortably long. That's usually how it is, right? It's just uncomfortably like, there's another turn. Let's go over here to the bottom right here. And we're going to put the teeth over here. Same thing, just triangle shapes. Very, very simple, right? Super simple stuff. And we're gonna go over here now, start maybe at the front tooth there. And it's gonna start thicker and it's gonna get thinner as it goes to the end. So we can draw it in pieces, maybe something like this. And then maybe we could go to the end right here. Curve underneath. Line right here, line right here. And then we're going to throw a line over here now. Right there, like around the thin part of the tongue. Alrighty. Go over here now to the eye. We're going to go into the Venom-like eyes, but also Bluey-like, right? So what's a similarity, right? Bluey's eyes are really big, so is our Venom. Venom's are kind of flat, though, so I'm going to go curve over here underneath. And then we're going to pull up over here, down, kind of have like almost looks like a flame, and it's gonna go off that shape there. Line over here, up, like so. Okay. Let's go over here now on this side. We're gonna draw the other eye, curve up, down. So you're not gonna see the bottom of that eye. And it's going to go off the shape right there pretty quickly. Okay? You're doing good, all right? You're doing good so far. Stay with me. Over here now. Down. Over here on this side. Down. Kind of that shape. And now we're going to find the arm. So curve on here. Got the arm. Arm is like a tube kind of curve right there. And then there's going to be an overlapping line right here. Thumb, curve, curve, curve for the paw. Down right here. And we're going to curve along that bottom. Remember, he's like a big like marshmallow shape, right? Bluey, we're taking Bluey's shape, you know, adding like Venom attributes. So now we're going to go over here and we'll draw a curve line for the leg. Another line for the leg right there. It's basically a tube. Now we're going to go over here going down. Going to give it like a Bluey-like foot, like a paw. Curve back here along the bottom. And pulling down. Let's go over here to this side. Curve line right there. For the leg. Curve line over here for the other side of the leg. Curve over here for the top of this foot. Pull back over here. I'm going to extend that foot downward. Okay. We're almost done. Stay with me. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a thicker line just to kind of, and that one I'm going to draw pretty quick. You could fill in the shape totally dark, but I think that's going to mess up the marker. So we're just going to do this. We're going to throw a curved line along the outside of the profile of the silhouette of the character. What I want you to do, by the way, as well, is let me know what else you want to see on the channel. I want to know. I'd like to know, you know, what are some of regular characters, or maybe some characters you want to see combined. Take advantage of all the links in the description. There's a lot of cool links to free stuff, that mainly free stuff meaning I give you free tools to make yourself a better artist. For example, if you want to learn how to draw cute, there is a link in the description to a free ebook you can print out. It's short. It's really short. It's all pictures. It's not, you know, hardly any words at all. And then you can, from then on, you can just use it as a guide to turn anything you want into like a cute character. If it's your, you know, if it's, I don't know, like your friend or whatever, or your pet, or, you know, there's a, you know, character that's not cutified, you can cutify it. I teach you the proportions of drawing cute. And you know, you can use them almost every single time, and they're there. And the cool part is you'll know that's information. You'll memorize it really quick, and you'll know it for the rest of your life. But that guide there is free, and it's not going to be free forever. So go pick that up at the link below. I'll put it right there. That's pretty much it. Stick around, and we're going to go through another drawing lesson, okay? Stick around. We'll go through another drawing lesson. Let's do it. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.